In today's digital age, the landscape of news broadcasting is rapidly evolving with the emergence of artificial intelligence, AI technologies, revolutionizing the way information is disseminated and consumed. In this guide, we'll explore how you can leverage a free AI tool to create your very own AI news channel, empowering you to deliver timely, relevant, and engaging content to your audience. Number 1. Understanding the power of AI in news broadcasting. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a game changer in the field of news broadcasting, enabling media organizations to automate content creation, personalize news delivery, and analyze vast amounts of data to uncover valuable insights. By harnessing the power of AI, you can streamline the news production process, enhance the quality of reporting, and stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced digital world. Number 2. Choosing the right AI tool for your news channel. When setting up your AI news channel, it's essential to select the right AI tool that aligns with your goals and objectives. Look for a free AI tool that offers features such as natural language processing, sentiment analysis, and content generation capabilities. Additionally, consider factors such as ease of use, scalability, and integration with other platforms to ensure a seamless user experience for both creators and consumers of your news content. Number 3. Curating content with AI-powered aggregation. One of the key advantages of AI in news broadcasting is its ability to aggregate and curate content from a wide range of sources, including news articles, social media posts, and multimedia content. With AI-powered aggregation tools, you can quickly gather relevant news stories, identify trending topics, and organize content into thematic categories to provide your audience with a comprehensive and up-to-date news experience. Number 4. Personalizing news delivery for your audience. In today's era of information overload, personalized news delivery has become increasingly important for engaging and retaining audiences. AI technologies enable you to analyze user behavior, preferences, and demographics to deliver tailored news content that resonates with your audience's interests and preferences. By personalizing news delivery, you can enhance user engagement, increase retention rates, and build a loyal following for your AI news channel. Number 5. Enhancing content creation with AI writing assistants. AI-powered writing assistants can significantly streamline the content creation process for your AI news channel, helping you generate high-quality articles, scripts, and summaries in a fraction of the time. These tools leverage natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to assist writers with grammar correction, style suggestions, and content optimization, ensuring that your news content is clear, concise, and compelling. Number 6. Leveraging AI for real-time reporting and analysis. In today's fast-paced news environment, real-time reporting and analysis are essential for staying ahead of the curve and delivering breaking news to your audience as it happens. AI technologies can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources in real time, enabling you to identify emerging trends, monitor social media conversations, and provide timely updates to your audience. By leveraging AI for real-time reporting and analysis, you can maintain a competitive edge and establish your AI news channel as a trusted source of timely information. Number 7. Ensuring accuracy and fact-checking with AI. Accuracy and credibility are paramount in news broadcasting, and AI technologies can play a crucial role in ensuring the integrity of your news content. AI-powered fact-checking tools can analyze news articles, verify claims, and detect misinformation, helping you maintain journalistic standards and build trust with your audience. Embracing AI in news broadcasting can unlock new opportunities for innovation, growth, and impact in the ever-evolving media landscape. Stay tuned for more updates And don't forget to subscribe to our AI news channel for the latest developments in AI-driven journalism.